Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the recovery code and a device. Start now. Open Snapchat and tap Login, then choose Trouble Logging In. Once done, select Use Recovery Code. Enter the full code exactly because Snapchat matches characters. Make sure your device internet is stable. If prompted, accept a verification message sent to your linked email or phone. This first step moves you from locked out to authenticated, so take your time entering characters carefully and double-check similar-looking letters and numbers. You entered the code, now confirm the account. After pasting or typing the recovery code, Snapchat may request a second verification step. Follow the SMS or email link it sends. If two-factor authentication is active, approve the sign-in on your trusted device or use an authenticator app code. Once verified, Snapchat lets you proceed to account settings. Make sure to update any outdated recovery info. If asked to set a new password, choose a strong, memorable one and store it securely for future access. You're near the finish line. Update recovery options immediately so the problem doesn't recur. In Settings, verify your email, phone, and enable backup codes or an authenticator app. If the recovery code returns an error, confirm it hasn't expired and retype it. Copy-paste can introduce hidden characters. If errors persist, request a new recovery route or use the in-app support flow to submit proof of identity. One key tip: clear app cache or try another device before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.